Take a...
Okay. Okay, I'll move the, okay, Here we go.
Get thirsty on the way here?
Sorta. So, Melanie, you look pretty hot tonight.
Thanks. I love your shirt.
No, you don't. Carly said you hate stripes.
Sam hates stripes.
How long are you gonna keep this up? Just admit you're Sam and we can leave.
I would, Al. But I'm not Sam.
Okay. If you're not Sam, then I guess you wouldn't mind if I held your hand.
I don't mind at all. I think you're really cute.
How can you say that without vomiting?
What?
All right. If you're not Sam, I suppose you wouldn't mind dancing with me.
I'd love to.
This is a slow dance, you know.
I know.
We'll have to dance together, rest against each other.
Yeah, let's go.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Why? I like you.
You hate me. You always have.
Maybe Sam hates you.
You are Sam.
Really? Would Sam do this?